Okay, so question number 13. It says liquid A and liquid B are mixed to make liquid C. Liquid A has a density of 70. Liquid A has a mass of 1,400. Liquid B has a density of 280. Liquid B has a volume of 30. Work out the density of liquid C. So how do we work out the density? Well, we know that density is equal to mass divided by volume. Or in our triangle, we have density, mass, and volume. Now, to work out the density of liquid C, so the density of liquid C, we're going to need to do the mass of liquid C divided by the volume of liquid C. Now, to work out the mass of liquid C, we're going to do the mass of liquid A plus the mass of liquid B. And the volume of liquid C is going to be the volume of A plus the volume of B. So we're going to have to do our density, mass, and volume for liquid A and B to work out those missing ones. For liquid A, we already know the mass, but we don't have the volume. So for liquid A, we have the mass, we have the density, we want the volume. We have V over here, we cover it up. We see V is mass over density. So the volume of A is the mass of A over the density of A. So the volume of A is 1,400 over 70. Divide top and bottom through by 10. And then 140 divided by 7 is 20. So the volume of A is 20 meters cubed. Now, what about for B? Well, for B, we have the density and the volume. We need the mass. If we have a look, our mass on the top is density times volume on the bottom. So the mass of B is equal to 280 times by 30. 28 times by 3 is 84, I think. Yep, 84. Then add 2 zeros. So 8,400. I've not put my units in here just to keep it a little bit cleaner. But now we have all of our different ingredients. We have the density of C is equal to the mass of A plus the mass of B. Mass of A is 1,400. Mass of B is 8,400 over volume of A is 20. Volume of B is 30. Simplifying now on the top, 1,400 plus 8,400 is 9,800. So we have 9,800 over 50. Divide top and bottom through by 10, we have 980 over 5. And now using bus stop, 5s into 9 goes once, remainder 4. 5s into 48 goes 9, remainder 3. 5s into 30 goes 6, remainder 0, giving us our answer.